Hello again, everyone. I'm Dr. Adam Barnard. I'm a physical therapist and clinic director here at Balance Physical Therapy in PRUNEDALE, here with another episode of Gym Do's and Don'ts. I'm joined today by our rehab aide, Jackie. She helps us out here around the clinic with our patients. Now, you may see some interesting and creative exercises online or even at the gym, but I really want to drive the point home the importance of executing the foundational movements with precision before you progress to something more difficult. So let's take a look at a couple exercises. First exercise we're going to cover today is the lunge. So Jackie, would you please show us a lunge? Now Jackie hasn't stepped out far enough, so you can see her front knee is going over her front toe and her back knee is actually staying behind her hip, and you do not want to do that. She's also leaning forward, which you also don't want to do, and she's got a lot of instability. Sometimes you'll see the arms flailing for stability when somebody does that. So we want to have a good amount of core stability before progressing to a more dynamic move like this. So now, Jackie, let's show them the right way to do the lunge. Okay, go ahead and repeat. So she stepped out a little bit farther right there. You're going to see that her front knee is not going over the front of her toe. If you take a look at the back leg right here, her knee is actually staying in line with her hip or a little bit behind. Her torso is more upright, and she could even put her hands on her hips if she wants to utilize more of her core stability as opposed to the weight of her arms flailing around to keep her stable. Another exercise that people execute incorrectly is the dumbbell shrug. So if you take a look at Jackie right here, she's got a few different things going on that is not going to get her to her fitness goals. She has her head coming forward and down, which is not very good on the neck. Her shoulders are coming forward just a little bit like that. We don't like to see that. And every once in a while, she'll bend her elbows. She's actually using her biceps to bring the weight up higher as opposed to using the trapezius to elevate the scapula. So let's show them how to do it the right way. Now she's got her scapula retracted, her cervical spine, her head and neck are being held backwards just like that. She's doing a good job bringing the ear up to the shoulder and her arms are staying straight. Good job. The beloved bicep curl. Jackie here is demonstrating the incorrect way to perform the bicep curl. She's twisting her torso, she's throwing her elbow and shoulder forward like that, and sometimes she even brings her head and chest down. You don't want to smack yourself in the chin. So let's show them the right way to do it, Jackie. Now she has her shoulder blades pulled together like she's squeezing something in between them. She's got her elbow right next to her torso like that. She's not moving her head at all. Now, of note, if you wanted to go through a progression, I would say start out with 2 dumbbells at once at the same time. Then you can go into alternating. That actually gives one muscle a rest while the other one's working. And then if you really wanted to fire up one of the biceps as opposed to the other, just do a single arm bicep curl. But great form, Jackie. And I know we've all seen this one. This is the dumbbell lateral raise. You're trying to bring out that nice teardrop appearance of your deltoid right there. So Jackie is doing a couple things wrong. Starting at her feet, she's actually coming up onto her toes, so she's using that momentum to try to get the weight off the ground. So we don't want to do that. She's also bending forward like that. She's looking down as opposed to straight forward, and she's letting them come down real fast. So let's show them the right way to do it. Now, she has her shoulder blades back, she has her core tight, nice and tight in the abdomen, she has her chin pushed back, and she's not shrugging. A lot of times we see the shrug when people lift up like that. Great job, Jackie. Now I better not see anybody doing these moves in the gym from here on out. If you'd like to know more and you enjoyed this video, you can always see us at Balance PT Move on Instagram, or you can visit us at balancept.com. Thanks, and we'll see you in the gym.